Hello guys, today I'm going to show you very basic setup of routing on Windows Server 2012. Firstly, we click on Add Roles and Features, next, and then we have server roles. Now we have to look for remote access. We select remote access and click next. We now select routing, add features. We also have to select VPN. We don't need this, but like if we select if we remove VPN, we also have to remove routing. So let's select both of them, click next, confirmation, install. Let's just wait a second until it's going to be installed. As you can see, the installation has succeeded, so let's close it. The warning popped out, but it doesn't matter. Let's click now Tools, and let's look for routing and remote access. As you can see, there is our domain. So let's right click, configure and enable routing and remote access. Next. Let's select network address translation. Next. Now we select our interface, click next again and finish. Now we just have to wait a second. And as you can see, everything has been turned on and everything worked just fine. So that's all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comments.